DeFi Income Investor Update, October 20th. In the last 24 hours, we returned 1.72%. Our expected weekly dividend is now up to 1.8% per week, with a total return of 5.58% in the last 11 trading days. We currently have 35 shares outstanding with a share price of $1,055.80. Now, if you were to invest $100,000, that would be $1,800 per week paid out as a dividend every Friday. That's hands-free passive retirement income. Here's a breakdown of our portfolio. On a daily basis, you can see the share price started out at 1,000, dipped to as low as 991, and has just gone up straight ever since then to $1,055. We make money by providing liquidity to decentralized exchanges such as Uniswap. So if you see the farm value, that's the money we're putting to work providing liquidity. Currently, that's gone from $30,000.5 all the way up to $34.5 thousand this week. Now, the portfolio is extremely hedged. If assets were providing liquidity to go down, our hedge goes up. You can see we started with a $4,080 hedge, and when the market pulled back, it went all the way up to $4,478. Then today, because the market's jumped up, you can see we made a lot of money on the farm overnight, but the hedge lost about $2,000 in value, so it's doing its job. In the last 24 hours, we had massive trading fees of $443. The least we've brought in was 206, and it's ranged from 340 to 250 over the past 11 days. Now, in this chart, we're looking at the volatility of the assets we've been providing liquidity to, which are primarily Pendle, Link, and Ethereum. As you can see, when we first launched the portfolio, Pendle swung down 6.54%, and our portfolio was able to reduce that drawdown by 86%. The next day, the biggest drawdown in the portfolio was Link, which went down 2.96%. You can see our drawdown reduction was over 100%. That means we made a profit when the assets we're providing liquidity to went down. Since then, we've had the market primarily go up and have just had massive profits for this strategy on a daily basis. In this chart, we're looking at the maximum drawdown of the portfolio. And so you can see the biggest drawdown was less than 1%. And that's when Pendle went down 6.5% in the previous screen. I'll show you charts of this in a moment. But as you can see, we've had a profit of 0.4, a drawdown of 0.22, a big gain after that of 2.44. And again, yesterday we made 1.72%. Here's some charts so you can see the market conditions we've had to deal with, ranging of 6.83% in volatility for Ethereum. So again, our goal is to keep the share price steady, not lose money if the market goes down, and consistently create daily trading fees to pay out as a weekly dividend. Link has had a volatility range of 10% since we've started. And again, you can see how smooth the returns are with this strategy. And Pendle has had a massive volatility range of 22%. So again, we're not trying to catch the moves up or down in the assets. We're hedging aggressively and simply trying to create daily trading fees as a market maker paid out to you every Friday as a dividend. In this chart, we're looking at the hedge. You can see with the farm being at a value of 34,000, currently our hedge is at 28,000, and we're targeting 31,000. So right after this video, we're going to go ahead and increase that hedge to get to the proper 90% hedge versus the total farm value. In this chart, we're showing you where the assets are held. 22.5 thousand are long Pendle ETH as a market maker, and 11.8 thousand are long Link ETH. What's the catch, you might ask? Is this too good to be true? Well, the main catch is that there's only so much trading volume and only so much capital we can put to work for investors. Currently, we're going to cap at $5 million to continue these high level of returns. If more liquidity comes to the market relative to the competition, we could potentially increase that. But at this point, it will be first come, first serve, $5 million only. Disclaimer, investing is risky and you can lose money. Consult your financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Now, I want you to click the link below to go to our website and sign up for the daily email. You get this content broken down in email format plus the video emailed to you on a daily basis. Also, you're going to get a free consultation with Dean Gallagher, who's a co-founder of our corporation and can walk you through the investment strategy and get you started today. So don't wait, click the link now.